To remove a search engine from the address bar in the Internet app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to delete that search engine from the search engine list in the Internet app setting. To do so, open Samsung Internet app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap Setting. Tap Address Bar Search. Next, tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap Delete. Select the required search engine you like to remove from the address bar. As the example, we will select Bing. Tap Delete to delete the selected search engine. To see the result, tap the back key twice. Tap the address bar, and then tap the search engine drop-down menu in the left side of the address bar. As you can see, now Bing is no longer displayed here. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.